Hello everybody, well, here are the innards of the Dansette Junior De-Luxe, and as you can see they're strewed along the workbench because I've been servicing them over this past day. I've had a good old look at the circuit diagram, and I've found that they've been a bit creative with their wiring, shall I say, meaning that they've put the wrong capacitor in here, and it should be 0.05, and they put a 0.01 new old stock De-Luxe in there. I've replaced the 25 UF with a 22 UF. Oh, focus, you piece of rubbish. Come on, focus. There we are. There's a De-Luxe electrolytic. That one's down there. And there was no tone capacitor present in this, and this had me stumped for a while, but I looked at the circuit diagram and discovered that it goes from the middle pin of the tone down to there, so I've soldered a new one of them in as well. And it does apparently now function. It's midway through restoration. I've been taking the knobs off and cleaning them, so there's no knobs really on it at all, but it's on at the moment. I've got to be careful because yeah, you'd all love to see me zap myself, wouldn't you? But no, I'm not going to. It's running a bit slow. Chuck a test record on it. 78, 33, 45 and 78, so stick it on 45, put the 45 stylus and start the record spinning. Yeah. Oh yeah. Also, I've put a full fire in it, which I know is good, with a good stylus there, because the people who had this before me had put a Sonotone GP91/3 cartridge, which is what the gondoliers came as standard, and these sound horrible. Oh yeah, here's my box bit. There's the original mains cable. Screws and it's wet for some reason. Yeah. The amplifier's running, and it's quite quiet. So there we are. Got on the record, but as you can hear, nothing. And that is because there is a loose connection around here, around this capacitor here. This is why I want to prove to you that people don't do jobs properly. All they've done with this capacitor is they've just soldered it in like that, and if I just touch the end, of this capacitor, they've done a bad job at soldering that capacitor, hence why it was advertised as no sound coming from the speaker. So I'm going to replace that capacitor, just turn it down. I'm going to replace that capacitor when I get it. I've ordered some off eBay because I've run out. But yeah, it's working. Yeah, the grill luckily. The grill by all rights should just come off now. I want to take the grill off and respray it because it doesn't look good. But these knobs, these are just glued onto the inside of the knobs, so I will glue them back in there. Chinese hats are there. Just been giving them a polish. I'll give it another polish, but yeah. Overall, everything's here. Oh yeah, I put a new knob. I just put a temporary replacement knob on there. It does function, but until I find a suitable replacement, it does work though. Doesn't sound that bad. Arms loose. And that's another problem that needs to be rectified. I still see her standing by the water. Yeah. So there is the Dansette mid-restoration. I've not done anything to the case yet, I've just cleaned it, that's all. Give it a light cleaning. It's not a bad little record player, this, actually, to be honest. Try another record on it. It's quite hard to find the start. These are just test records I keep here.
I got a feeling called a blues, for baby said goodbye, and I don't know what I'll do.
Sounds like a dog in pain. No, we all love Frank, I feel. So yes, getting on well with the Dansette. That just proves that some idiots can get in the amplifier and mess around with it, and it takes creative thinking and lots of circuit studying to rectify it. I didn't think it'd be doing this again. Hang on, I can demonstrate the tone control for you. I'll just put a knob on, because again the knob for the tone control is in there. There we are. You see that loose capacitor? There we are. So there we are. So what I want to do now? Tone works.
And now that she is leaving, this is all I can see. I've got a feeling called a blues. Oh, baby, say goodbye.
No auto stop.
And I don't know what I'll do.
Switch it off like that. And these arms, look, they can move all the way across. So if you wanted to, you could play a record like that, but that knackers up your stylus. And also the record. So yeah. We're getting on with the Dansette, so I'm going to switch it off now and take this grill off, soak it in warm water, and glue these knobs back on. That should just be easy to pull off now. Get a bit of purchase on that and pull it off with a piece of cord. Yep, that's not budging. Alright everybody, so yeah, part 2 of the Dansette. It is working, sort of. Thanks for watching, everybody. Bye bye bye.